Good day, friends. I am Professor Vivek Kulkarni from SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola, and will deal with unit number 6 of the subject Architecture and Town Planning. Now, let's see content of this unit number 6. Now, various contents of unit number 6 are Special Township, SEZ, CRZ, Smart City, Amrut Guidelines, Application of GIS, GPS, Remote Sensing in Planning. Now let's see special economic zones in India, that is SEZ. Now what is SEZ? That is special economic zone. A special economic zone SEZ is a geographical region that is designed to export goods and provide employment. SEZs are exempt from federal laws regarding taxes, quotas, FDI bans, labor laws and other restrictive laws in order to make the goods manufactured in SEZ at a globally competitive price. It is specifically delineated duty-free enclave and shall deemed to be a foreign territory for the purpose of trade operations and duties and tariffs to provide an internationally competitive and hassle-free environment for export. Now let's see kinds of SEZ. SEZs can be categorized on basis of sector, function or location and required to have processing as well as non-processing areas. Now let's say sector-wise or multi-product SEZ and SEZ, types of SEZ. Now let's say SEZ, specific SEZ, manufacture goods or render services in a particular sector. Multi-product SEZ, manufacture multiple goods in one sector or across multiple sectors, trading and warehousing included, and SEZ in a port or airport. SEZ in an existing port or airport for manufacture of goods falling into or more sectors, trading and warehousing included. Objectives of SEZ Act: generation of additional economic activity, promotion of exports of goods and services, promotion of investment from domestic and foreign sources, creation of employment opportunities, and development of infrastructure facilities. Now, roles of SEZ in Indian economy: to provide internationally competitive environment, to encourage FDI, that is foreign direct investment, and to enhance GDP, that is gross domestic product, to increase share in global exports. SEZ exports accounting for 26% of India's total export in 2011. Now, salient features of SEZ: self-certification for export and import. Import and export movements of goods are based on self-declaration. No routine examination is made unless specific orders from Development Commissioner or authority. Subcontracting: a SEZ unit may subcontract a part of its product or production process to different units even in abroad. Now, fiscal incentive tax: exemption from excise and customs duty on procurement of capital assets, consumable stores, raw materials from domestic market, exemption from sales tax, import duty, income tax, minimum alternative tax, and dividend distribution tax. Single window clearance: submit regularity document at single locations, less proceedings and save time. Some of the important SEZs in India. First one is in Karnataka, Biotechnology and Information Technology Services, SEZ on biotechnology sector in Bangalore's Electronic City. It is on over an area of 43 acres. Sri Renuka Sugars Limited, SEZ on sugarcane processing complex covering 100 hectares, comprising a sugar plant, a power station and distillery at Barlati in Belgaum district. Itina Properties Private Limited and three other SEZs in IT sector covering electronics, hardware and software sectors in Bangalore over an area of 15.732 hectares. Wipro Infotech SEZ on ITES at Electronics City, Sarajpur, Bangalore. Hewlett Packard, that is the world famous HP company, Hewlett Packard India Software Operations Private Limited. It has an SEZ on IT. Services in food processing and related SEZs in Hassan in Karnataka district over an area of 157.91 hectares. SEZs on pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and chemical sectors in Hassan covering an area of 281.21 hectares. SIPs in Andheri East, Mumbai Khopta, it, Khopat, it is a multi-product SEZ in Mumbai. In Navi Mumbai, a multi-product again in Mumbai. Salt Lake Electronic City in West Bengal. Mani Kanchan, it's a gems and jewelry in West Bengal. Calcutta Leather Products in West Bengal. And Phalta Food Processing Unit in West Bengal. Now, advantages of SEZ: growth and development, attracts foreign direct investment, that is FDI, exposure to technology and global market, increasing GDP and economic model, employment opportunities are created. Disadvantage of SEZ: land acquisition at very low prices, farmers lose their livelihood, and tax holidays affect GDP. Now, benefits and incentives of SEZ units: the corporate or income tax benefits for 15 years, no sunset clause, duty-free enclave throughout stay in SEZ, tax-free enclave throughout stay in SEZ. Most operations are online or single window. Liberalized labor norms, 24 by 7, that is 365 days of operation. Subcontracting job workers are allowed. Now, benefits and incentives of SEZ again: 100% FDI through automatic routine, 100% capital account convertibility, no minimum export obligations, no fixed value additions norms except for diamonds, freedom from industrial licensing. Then local sales is allowed on payment of full duties, declared foreign territory for duties and taxes, and facilities of offshore banking units. Now this is the flow chart of for setting SEZ. Central government shall issue a letter of approval to developer. Developer shall furnish to central government information about area, and central government will notify the area at SEZ. Thank you very much. Thank you.